Hey, mama.
Hey everyone, it's Chef Kirk here with The Organic Catering. I'm excited because today is Mother's Day, so I want to give a special shout out to all the mothers out there. And today I have my mother in the kitchen with me. Everyone, please introduce my mama. Hey, mommy, what's up? So this is my mother here. This is Barbara Campbell, my mother. Hey sis, bro, I got her to cook in the kitchen with me today. Booyah! So what's up to you, mom?
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, especially my beautiful daughter and daughter-in-law. And I wish them a happy Mother's Day.
All right, people. So stay tuned. We're about to get down. We're about to go do some Jamaican cooking right now. It's gonna be crazy. Hope you guys enjoy. And please leave a comment. Where's some of my comments down here? And then like, follow my page. Do you want them to follow my page or no? Follow my page. Okay, hear my mom say follow my page. All that. All right. So happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. Have a good one.
After boiled saltfish.
Okay. And then why are we boiling the saltfish? Why do we do that?
Why to get the salt out because saltfish is very salty.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have to boil the saltfish. Then afterward, we strain it off.
Okay.
Pick it out, cut it off.
Jamaican, you can do Jamaican term. Because you gotta do like a Jamaican term. So what do you say? You have to chop it up, you have to cut it up, or you have to dice it up?
Just cut it out.
Alright, cool.
And then this is the ackee. You have to boil the ackee first.
Okay.
Before and after the ackee is cooked, then strain it, and then we get ready for this is the seasoning we use. This is thyme, sweet pepper, scallion, onion.
Nice.
Where is the pepper?
Oh, the pepper's over there in the back. I didn't do my job. My due diligence.
Yes, there's that pepper over here.
Alright, so that's a scotch bonnet pepper.
Yes.
For hotness. For hotness. Okay. So another question. So some people say that this is a vegetable.
Yes.
What is it?
But some say it's a fruit.
It's a fruit, so it's like you use whatever you
Combination
like.
of
Combination of both.
both, yeah.
Okay. All right. So, what's the first step in the process here, Mom? So, since I won't be a sous chef, let me get behind this camera and let's get to work. Right now, we're about to make Jamaican Ackee and Saltfish. Mom, what is Ackee and Saltfish to us?
It's our national dish.
So, it's Jamaica's national dish?
Yes,
Okay.
it is. So first we have to boil the saltfish.
The salt.
The saltfish.
It's up all if you have.
Yeah.
It's up to you. Choose your poison. Alright. Then while it's warming up, first what we're gonna do, Mom. What's next, Mom?
When the pot is warm, you put in the seasoning.
Okay, so we're gonna put the onions and the peppers.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna have some white onions. You can use whatever onions you want, but we're using white onions today because I like white sweet onions.
Alright, so it's enough.
Okay. See, not too much. So I like a lot of onions. She doesn't, so you know that go. Okay.
Pepper, not too much.
Put some peppers.
Yes. Can get it color coded to look pretty.
Okay.
So it's up to
So you guys like my pants? You know what I mean? It's very sexy, very sleek and chic.
really love this too. And then add some thyme. Yeah, sneaking the pepper.
I'm sneaking in the pepper on our people. And a little scallion.
Yeah, place with thyme, then after you take it out.
Okay. So the thyme you can keep whole. Like some people like to take off the thyme off of the stem, but you can keep it whole. And then
Take it out after before it's done.
this door is done, all right? So then we're gonna go ahead and saute it up.
I like them more hard because it's going to suck off there. And the fish can't take up all the oil. Okay? I like them more hard.
So we try to do a little healthier around here, most. But this is olive oil. We're perfectly fine. So we're gonna use a little bit more olive oil. We're gonna olive it up. There we go. And then the rest we just cook down with a little water from the vegetables. And saute it up a little bit more. It's looking really pretty. Okay, chef. So how long do we saute our veggies for? Not in a long time. Okay.
If you don't want to get crispy, then you can have this your saltfish in.
Okay. So our saltfish we cook down, And we washed out all the salt out of it, and then we're gonna add the saltfish to it. So do we add all of it, Mom, or do we just add all of it?
Some people like to have more saltfish than ackee.
Oh, okay. All right. I wonder who came up with this recipe. Like, for this to be Jamaica's national dish. Whose idea was like, hey, you see that fish and you see that fruit? Let's mix it together.
It's not from Jamaica, so it's imported.
It's imported, right?
Yeah. These are our national dish.
Exactly. I'm gonna do an intense research and find out what it is. That looking nice right there. Keep on stirring it up. See, our food, Jamaican food are always colorful, very pretty. You know, a lot of red, a lot of greens, and they say that that's good for the body. The body responds really well to these colorful vegetables and stuff of that nature. You know what I mean? So, what do you think so far, Mom?
That's looking good.
Okay.
Then you're gonna add the ackee.
All right, I'll let you do the honors of adding the ackee. Oh, you want me to add it?
Yeah.
She doesn't want to be on the camera. Because the camera's not even on us. The camera is down on the food, but okay. So I don't want to break it up. So this is the thing. You want your ackee to be old. So how do I do it so I don't break it up? Oh, yeah. See, that's expert right there. You see how the expert pour? And just scrape out the little bit that's left. Boom.
Yes, and then you're gonna put a little spice, but you want a little black pepper, like a cayenne pepper.
The black pepper.
All over. Yeah, starting that's good now. For cayenne pepper.
And then some cayenne pepper.
Of your choice.
Of your choice. If you like it spicy, yeah. If not, you know, I like mine's a little bit of heat.
Yes, that's it.
That's it. No more.
I like to get it even whole. You're gonna do it like, instead of you stir it all over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just when you stir it over, you just shake it?
Yes.
Shake it through the pot?
Yes. Get all the bit on the whole.
Okay. See? Because some people don't like when this thing cooked down and get mushy. And I mean, that's like the biggest pet peeve. I know that for my sister, she don't like that. But for me, I don't really care. I love ackee regardless how you want to put it. Okay, so what other tips do we have for the ackee as we cook down right now into the final phase?
Just simmer down. Afterward, you can take out the thyme.
Okay.
Yes, before you're ready to serve it.
Yeah, because nobody want to bite into a stick, so yeah, you know, take out the time, people.
Some people don't use the thyme, some people use it. Well,
that's it. It looks good. A little bit more black pepper, and it's pretty.
You make it simmer down. It's the cover.
Oh, sorry, I didn't do my job. Let me go get the cover real quick.
This is for national. This is pumpkin. This is your sweet potato. This is a pepper.
Wow, that is beautiful. Yeah, see, there go people, all the color I was talking about earlier. And yeah, this is Ackee and Saltfish. I mean, this is what we have been working on for the last couple of minutes here, showing you guys how to prepare this beautiful Jamaican dish. Really simple, really easy. And what do you say, Mom? When you say it was good, really simple?
Yes, it is simple.
Okay. So enjoy your national
dish.
All right. And
Ackee and Saltfish, and have a good day.
All right. Blessed. Have Mother's Day.
Sorry we couldn't share it with you guys. Next time.
Next time, people. All right, people. Well, we just showed you guys how to make it simple, easy. What's that, Mommy?
Ackee and Saltfish.
All right, and I hope you guys enjoy our video. Please like. Where's the moment down here? So like, subscribe. You know what I mean? Email, faxes, old school write a letter. You know what I mean? All right. So any final words for me?
Have a good day. Bye.
That's it. Simple, easy. Peace.